Our tutorial today is going to be an overview of how to understand and navigate the list of library databases at Western Technical College, and how to get started with a couple of our most popular databases if you're just not sure how to begin your research. Now, databases are collections of resources that are organized for strategic searching. These collections have different kinds of content. Things like scholarly articles, encyclopedia articles, magazines, newspapers, sometimes images, videos, and other kinds of content as well. There are lots of different resources for different needs, so at first glance, this page may feel really daunting with so many different resources here, but it's actually designed to have a little something for everyone. You'll see the subjects drop-down allows you to limit by a specific content area if that's something you'd like to do. For instance, if you're looking for information in the health sciences or in business. You can also specify the database type or the kind of information that you need, things like magazines or newspapers or peer-reviewed articles. You can also search for a specific database if your instructor suggested a best place to start. But if you're just getting started and you're really not sure where to begin, we recommend using the things in the popular databases category over here. For most topics, for most students, Credo Reference is a great place to start. It provides the background information that you're going to need to get comfortable with a topic. I can search for my topic, browse the list of results, read some background information, use the mind map. You'll notice the article here in the center of the page, some related suggestions down the side, and the tools across the top. So this would be where I could share the article, email it to myself, or save it in a particular way. I could also retrieve the page link at the top so that I can come back to this article again later. In general, Credo, again, is a great place to start, but it's not the place where you should end your research. If you are looking for different kinds of information, for example, peer-reviewed or scholarly articles, our favorite place to go is called Academic Search Premier. This resource contains those peer-reviewed scholarly journal articles. So if I search for artificial intelligence and ethics, you'll see here my list of results, and down the left-hand side, you'll see all of the filters. Now, these filters are going to be the way that you can get specific about the kind of information that you need. For example, if your instructor said you need a peer-reviewed source, check that box, and always make sure that the full text box is checked so that you can read the full text of the article. You can also use the filter to limit by source type or by date. So if I drag my slider here so that I'm getting more current articles, you'll see that my results list shrinks considerably. As I browse this list, I might see something that looks like it's helpful, and so if I click on a specific article, I will get the information about it, including the abstract or a little summary of the article, some subjects, the author and source, as well as, over on the right-hand side here, some handy tools. These tools allow me to do things like save the permanent link or the permalink. I can also get the citation for this article. If it looks like it's going to be helpful, I can find the style that my course or my professor prefers and copy and paste that into a works cited or references page. I can also email the article to myself along with the full text and the citation of my preference. So again, use the tools of each database. They are designed to help you. You'll also notice in this Academic Search Premier database that the full text of the article is over here on the left-hand side. You have to click either the PDF or the HTML, and then you will see the article itself. The tools are still visible on the right-hand side here, but you can also download, print, or save the article. This is the case for all EBSCO databases. They look very similar, but we also have another collection of databases provided by a company called Gale. The first one on the list, Academic OneFile, is another good place to look for different kinds of information like scholarly sources or magazine articles. If I search for my topic of artificial intelligence ethics, you'll see here on my results page that I have a variety of different sources that appear. I can click into a specific article and I will see the article full text in the center, as well as the tools across the top here. So the ability to cite the source, email or download, save the full text link, and do some other manipulation of the article with the tools at the top of the article. So again, this hasn't been a complete overview, but this is a good place to start with our databases list. Think about the kind of information or the topic that you're searching for, narrow down the list to get some suggestions, use our popular databases if you don't know where to start, and if you're feeling frustrated or would rather have a personalized recommendation, please don't hesitate to reach out to a librarian. You can chat with us live when we're online by using this little button here at the bottom of your screen. You can submit a question or send us an email at library@westerntc.edu. We're happy to make suggestions and help you get started with searching so that you can find what you need. Please remember that we are here to help. Thank you so much for watching, and best of luck with your research.